Hey guys, welcome back to the Mad Swine Backyard Barbecue. Yeah, we're closing in on the Thanksgiving holiday, and I'm bringing you guys a video that you are going to love. How do I know? Because we got something special going on. What is that? We're gonna throw a turkey right here on the Santa Maria style grill attachment from Titan on the kettle, and we're gonna find out together if that's something worth doing for the holidays. Now, I've smoked so many turkeys, fried so many turkeys, been there, done that. I've never done a turkey grilled like this over red oak, over anything. Matter of fact, this is gonna be a live fire, and I'm gonna do that for you guys. Let's get started. But hold up, before we go any further, I'm gonna share this hack with you guys. So this grill grate is usually the other way around. I have it this way because there's this ring that keeps the food in. I don't know if you guys ever dropped a hot dog or a chicken leg or anything off the grill grate, but I've come close, but not no more. What I ended up doing though, because this is the hook that usually this connects to, but I am using one of these bad boys, and that came from this guy off of Amazon. And you know, something I already had laying around, so I'm using this, as you can see right there, to clip to the grate, and it works perfectly. Now all my food is gonna stay right there. Yeah. All right, so for this cook, I'll be using red oak, and that's all that right there. I don't know how much I'm gonna be going through, so hopefully there's enough right there. I don't think it's gonna go past 4 hours, but if it does, I'm ready for it. So we are, let's see, 1 hour and 11 minutes in. I did another flip. That's what it looks like. All right, let's keep it going. All right, so obviously the whole spatchcock turkey didn't work out, keeping it all together. So I would suggest just parting it out if you're gonna use the method of Santa Maria style. Otherwise, maybe squeeze it between two grates and use that kind of method. But either way, I got it done. I got all the dark meat finished, and I got the breast out there finishing up. It's like 10 more degrees to go. And then we're gonna let the carryover take it to 165. What that said, this is a piece of what would have been the chicken wing or turkey wing. This is the little drumette. Little, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and see how this tastes. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, wow. Mmm. Juicy as hell. Flavorful. It doesn't taste like the conventional turkey from the oven. A lot of flavor. Look at that. Let's see if we can see that. A little bit chewy. I don't know if that's my fault or what, or it's because this bird is a year old from last year. Either way though, it does taste great. All right, there she is. That's the sexy thigh off that turkey. Santa Maria style. And that's what it looks like when somebody went vampire status into that thing. Look at that. Damn. What happened to it? Look at that. I got the breast trying to rest. Here's one half of the breast on this side, and here's one that's already sliced up. So all there is left to do is try it out. It is hot. Looks moist. All right, let's try that out. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. I'm liking that. Let me try some of the skin. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. All right, guys. There you saw. Turkey was a success. In 2 hours, was able to cook a 15-pound bird on the Santa Maria style grill. Man, what else do you guys want, huh? You want some more? Oh yeah. Look at that.